Let's start the mathematics class 5. I explain you the statement sums problem. Page 79. Example 4 by 7 of a number is 84. Find the number. 4 by 7 of a number, any number that is multiplied by 4 by 7, you get the 84 as an answer. So which is that number? 4 by 7 of a number is equal to 84, right? As this statement, number is equal to, so what is the number that is multiplied by 4 by 7 and gives 84? So number is equal to 84. Suppose here 4 by 7 into number is equal to 84. So number is equal to 84 divided by 4 by 7. 84 divided by 4 by 7. So if 84 is divided by 4 by 7, so it's convert in multiplication symbol, that is division symbol, convert in multiplication symbol. Then after reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4 is equal to 147 is the number that is multiplied by 4 by 7. You get as a 84 as a value. Okay. Here Manu reads 2/5 of 80 pages of his lesson. How many pages has he read to complete the lesson? Manu reads 2 by 5 of 80. 80 pages of 2 by 5 of 80 pages is equal to what? 32. So Manu has to read 80 minus 32. 48. 48 pages. Now has to read remaining. Manu has to read 48 more pages from now. Okay. Move to exercise 5D. Exercise 5D. Question number 1. How many 1/5 are there in 100? So how many 1/5 are there in 100? So 100 divided by 1 by 5, you get the number as 100. Division convert in multiplication symbol. Reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 and 500 is the answer. Okay. Next, product of 7 by 9 and a number is 63. Find the number. So just in the solution, let the number, find the number na. So that number let as x. Okay, let the number be x. And here the product of 7 by 5 and a number is 63. So product of 7 by 9 and a number, that is x, is equal to value of the product 63 given. So now find out value of x. How is it find out? 63 and 7 by 9, if go to the right side of the equal, then it is move as the reciprocal. Okay, 63 as divided by 7 by 9. Okay, so here if 63 divided by 7 by 9, so 63 into 9 by 7. 7 9 ja 63 and 9 9 ja 81. 7 9 ja 63 and 9 9 ja 81 is the number. And if you multiply 7 by 9 with this number, you get 9 9 ja 81 and 7 9 ja 63 as an answer. 7th of a number is 36. 6/7 of a number is 36, as well as solution of second. Here x is equal to 36 into 7 by 6, just opposite. Okay, x is equal to 6 6 ja 36 and 7 6 ja 42. 42 is the answer of question number 3rd. Here question number 4. 3 by 5 of a class of 45 are girls. Find the number of boys in the class. Here exercise 5D question number 4 solution. Number of students in class, number of students total in class is equal to 45. Okay, so number of students in class is equal to 45. Girls are is equal to 3 by 5th of 45. So 3 by 5th into 45. 5 9 ja 45, 9 3 ja 27. Okay, so find out the number of boys. Number of boys is equal to 45 total students minus girls. That is, number of boys is the subtracted value here. For 15 minus 7, 8, 3 minus 2, 1. 18 boys in the class. Okay, move to the next. Raj drank some Pepsi from a 500 milliliter bottle. He found that 2 by 5th was remaining. Only 2 by 5th was remaining in 500 milliliter bottle, total quantity of a bottle. How much did he drink? So how much did he drink? We have to find out. Here just total quantity of bottle is equal to 500 milliliter. 500 milliliter, and only 2 by 5th was remaining after Raj drank some Pepsi. Okay, so here 2 by 5th was remaining, so Raj drank Pepsi as a fraction 1 minus 2 by 5. 1 total, suppose 1 is the whole number, that is the total quantity of the Pepsi. Here 2 by 5th which is remaining, so Raj drank 5 minus 2. 3 by 5th part Raj already drank, so Raj drank Pepsi is equal to 500 into 3 by 5. 5 1 ja 500 into 3, 300 milliliter Raj already drink. Okay. Ryan and his two friends ate pizza 1 by 4th each. Each friends get pizza 1 by 4th of total pizza. Slices of pizza is equal to 8. So 8 slices of pizza, and of the 8 slices 1 by 4th each get pizza. Number of person is equal to 3. Here Ryan and his two friends, total number of person 3. So each person eat pizza as fraction 8 into 1 by 4th. 2 slices. 2 slices of pizza eaten by each person. So total number of slices eaten by 3 persons is equal to 2 into 3. Total number of slices spent 6 slices. So remaining slices of pizza is equal to total slices 8 minus which already eaten 6 and remaining 2 slices. That is the answer. Okay. Distance between two bus stops is equal to 75 km. Bus covers in 1 hour distance 25 km. Here in 1 hour fraction distance has been covered. So in 1 hour fraction distance has been covered is equal to 25 km in total of distance 75. So 25 1 ja 25 and 25 3 ja 75, that is 1 by 3 if you convert in list term this fraction. So 1 by 3 has been covered in 1 hour. Now the next question, fraction has to be covered, okay. Has to be covered is equal to 1 minus, that is has been covered in 1 by 3, and here remaining 1, 3 minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 here remaining or covered after 1 hour, okay. These both are answer of these two questions in this question number 7. Number 8, strength of class is equal to 150. Opted for Sanskrit among the class 150, opted for Sanskrit 1 by 3 of 150. So number of students in 150, that is opted Sanskrit, 1 by 3 into 150 is equal to 50 opted Sanskrit, okay. 3 5 ja 15. Here Hindi opted 2 by 5th of 150, so 2 by 5th into 150, okay. 5 3 ja 15 and 3 2 ja 60, so 60 opted Hindi. So rest opted for French. You can do it in the two way. First add 50 and 60, then these addition subtract from 150, okay. 150 minus 50 plus 60, you get opted students for French 150 minus 110 40 opted French, and you can do it in the fraction as 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5, okay. So just take a remaining fraction of, this is the shortcut, here 1 minus 5 3 ja 15, this is the LCM, 3 5 ja 15, 5 5 1 ja 5 5 3 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, okay. Here 3 2 ja 6. Now 1 minus 11 by 15, you get 15 minus 11, 4 by 15 for the French, okay. Opted French, okay. Now number of students for French is equal to just 150 into 4 by 15. You get 15 1 ja 15 and 10 into 4 40, okay. You can do it in this both way which you want, okay. Question number 9, 40 divided by half minus 40. 40 divided by half minus 40. 40 divided by half into 80. Sorry, 40 into 2, 80. Okay. 40 into 2, 80 minus 40. So here 80 minus 40 is equal to answer 40. Okay. Question number 10. A herd of cows give 4 liters of milk each day, but each cow gives 1/3 of total milk each day. they give 24-liter milks in 6 days. How many cows are there in the herd? Write a statement. A herd of cows gives milk each day 4 liter. Each cow gives milk each day 1/3. In 6 days they give 24 liters. Number of cows in herd. So contribution by each cow. Contribution by each cow is equal to 1/3 of 4. Okay, that is 4/3. The formula is total milk from herd in 1 day is equal to number of cows that we have to find out into contribution by each. Okay, now here total quantity of milk, here 4 liter. Okay, then after number of cows we have to find out number of cows, so write it as. Then after contribution we here already find out 4/3, so number of cows is equal to 4 here given, and 4/3 if move to this side then it convert in division as 4/3. So 4 into 3/4, that is now 3 cows. Number of cows are 3. Okay, worksheet solution I send you as a PDF.